everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira and today we are finally going to be tackling the dreaded closet cleanout. I love watching these cleanout videos, especially throughout quarantine, but I didn't really do one of my own kasi sabi ko, most of these stuff I haven't even worn in public yet, so I don't really know how I feel about them. Although it's gotten to a point na sobrang nagsha-shopping lang ako online and sobrang sikip na dito sa closet ko, hindi na niya kaya. So I guess we're gonna do the clean out now. Welcome to my closet. On this side, we have the hanging clothes. Ayan, I have a lot of long sleeves, blazers, jackets, I don't know. But it's also like my storage area. Like on the top, I have my board games, and then on the bottom, a lot more storage. And then on the other side, ayan, so these are like my folded clothes. These are yung mga pang-alis, although meron pa sa likod and sobrang nag-uumapaw na siya. On top, we have bottoms. And then dito sa baba is lahat ng mga pambahay or pajamas ko. I think I'm also gonna be trying on some of the outfits. Ilalabas ko muna silang lahat and then I'll try them on to see if they spark joy or whatever. And honestly, I've just really been inspired by Best Dress Closet Cleanout video. It's like one of my favorite videos of hers for some reason. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So anyways, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Woo! So these are all my clothes. Actually, hindi pa to lahat. Nandun pa yung mga pambahay ko tsaka pajama kasi hindi na sila kasya dito. But yeah, as you can see, I have a lot. We have tackled these clothes one by one, so I guess let's start trying them on. Okay, let's start with dresses. I actually love wearing dresses. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. You don't have to think, ano bang bagay dito na pang baba or pang itaas, whatever. So first dress is this Uniqlo dress, Easy. Keep this dress. I actually have a lot of summer dresses like this. Siguro mga 4 or 5. And I loved wearing this when I was in college. As in, kapag wala akong maisip na suotin, dress, cardigan, okay, tapos na. I've actually also been wearing this during quarantine. So I think I'm gonna keep it for now. Although, feel ko maging pambahay na lang to in the long run. Now, this dress, I am 100% obsessed with. Got this last year. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this. It's so cute, right? This dress, as pretty as it is, it just makes me sad kasi it never fit me well. I've actually never worn this. Medyo weird din yung fit niya. Bumababa yung dito, which is kinda annoying. Cute sana, but I think I'm gonna let this one go. This dress is also gonna go. I actually just bought this last year, but I've worn this once for an Instagram photo. I don't know, it just doesn't give me the right vibes. Masyado siyang mahaba sa akin dahil napakaliit ko. And sometimes long dresses make short people look shorter. So goodbye this dress. It was good knowing you. This wrap dress is also a favorite of mine. It's so cute. So I think I'm gonna let this other wrap dress that I own go. Now this dress again makes me sad because I just bought this literally right before mag-lockdown. I feel like it's giving more of like Sunday church vibes. That's not really what I want for like a red dress, diba? This one is going. This dress is also something I've never worn before and sobrang sayang kasi Zara to, guys. And never ko siya nasuot because I feel like it's a size too big for me. I keep saying na kailangan ko siya ipa-alter. So, kailangan liitan kasi instead of it looking good, it just looks like one big bare triangle. Gusto ko din paiklian itong sa baba, ganyan, so that it fits my height better. So maybe I'll keep this, pero kailangan talaga itong ipa-alter. Okay, I thought this dress was gonna be a sure keep because I've had this dress for a while and I really like the design of it. I think it's so unique. Pero hindi ko na siya masara. Now this dress is also keep. I love the design, although it also needs to be altered kasi ayoko yung pearl na strap na uhulog gumaganon kapag suot ko to. So annoying. Keeping this, keep, and a for sure keep. They don't make clothes in this color anymore. So sad. Or jumpsuits, and I actually own a fair amount of them, but I don't think I'll be getting rid of that many. Actually, also like wearing these. Ayan, no, tinan mo, ito lang sinuot ko, tas medyo ano na siya, business casual, or kapag nilagyan mo ng bomber jacket, edi casual lang siya. And same as dresses, you don't have to think of what goes with it that much. I'm gonna be keeping these all, probably except this one. Ito romper siya. I didn't really wear this much often anyways. And this one, I'm not sure yet, but I've only worn this once. I think this might have to go. For someone who lives in a tropical country, I own a lot of blazers and jackets. And alam ko hindi lang ako yung ganito sa Pilipinas. So let's go through them. Bomber jackets, I love. Tama ko na rin sa category nito yung mga long sleeve polos ko for work. Of course, I'm not gonna get rid of them. My thesis defense blazer, iconic. Okay, it's turning out that I love all of my blazers. So, I mean, it's for work. It's important. Okay, maybe this one can go. I've had this since high school. Grabe. Meron siyang shoulder pads na wala na yung sa kabilang side. So I'm not really into it anymore. It's so bright. It's medyo 90s ba to? Hindi ko alam. Classic cardigan that I actually got from the kids section a long time ago, and it still fits me well. Turns out I have 4 different types of denim jackets. Nobody needs 4 denim jackets. I think I'm gonna let go of this one. Kinda sad kasi sobrang proud ako dito because it was my first thrift flip that actually kind of worked, but also it doesn't fit me as well as these other ones, so I think this is got to go. Turns out I have this amount of sweatshirts and sweaters, ganon. Will I keep all of them? No! Ang hirap naman mag-let go. Nahulog na sila. Okay. Oh, but this one is so cute. It has little pearls. Okay, maybe. These jackets will stay, of course. Classic white sweater. Ito, I think I can let this one go. Oh, I think this one can go too. Kasi parang hindi ko naman to first choice when choosing hoodie, ganon. Medyo hindi na ako ganon ka into this color. Pero cute nung iba, oh. I have a Stranger Things one, a Friends one, and a Mr. Kate one. So these are definitely staying. These are my favorite pair of pants, as in, it fits me so well. This one is from H&M, if you're wondering. This one is a similar pair of pants, pero plain lang siya. These ones I'm keeping as well. Uso pa naman to, diba? I feel like I look like a Bratz doll. Ito yung mga suot nila dati. I like these ones too. I think they're so cool. Gusto ko yung nakatingin lang sila sa akin, no? These are the only pairs of overalls that I own, so I guess I'm gonna keep this for now. Although parang gusto ko bumili ng darker shade. These ones can go. They're not as high-waisted as I would like them to be, and medyo masikip siya sa legs. Alam niyo yung mga skinny jeans na ganito? Pag sinusuot ko yung mga yun nung college, sobrang sumasakit yung legs ko pagkatapos, as in. These culottes I love. This pair I'm also gonna keep. Pero these two, I think it's time to go. They did not look like the one in the picture whatsoever. As in, ibang-iba dun sa nili ko sa Shopee. So, they're not really it for me. They don't spark joy. Work trousers, definitely gonna keep them. And lastly, these super cool camo pants. I love them. I need to wear these more. Okay, let's try a different angle for now because we're moving on to bottoms. And these are things na feel ko hindi ko naman kailangan try on to see if it fits me. First is this pair of shorts that I was wearing a while ago, so definitely keep. Another pair of shorts, keep. These shorts from Uniqlo are my favorite, so definite keep. Keep! O diba? Lahat keep. Ano ka? This one I think has got to go. It's so little, guys. Hindi na to kasya sa akin. As well as this one, another pair of black shorts that's so little. Hindi na rin to kasya sa akin. Not gonna lie, I feel a little bad na kapag sinasabi ko hindi na to kasya sa akin eh. Kasi parang ano ba? Napabayaan ko ba sarili ko? Ganon. But at the same time, as I was thinking about it, most of these clothes, ito, I've had since I was in high school. So it's been almost a decade. So I can't really beat myself up for not fitting into the same clothes I wore 10 years ago. It's just unrealistic. And at the same time, that was during my teen years, diba? You're a teenager, your body was still developing. So if you had a smaller frame back then, and ngayon medyo nadagdagan ng konting inches sa waist mo, ganon. It's okay, guys. It's really okay. Yes, body positivity! Goodbye! These are my only pair of floral shorts. But I think I'm gonna let them go because I don't really wear them anymore. Pair of white shorts, love. This skirt, I love this one. It's so cute. Ito, hindi na rin to kasya sa akin. So, goodbye! Okay, moving on to skirts. These pairs of skater skirts, I will keep them forever. I just think they're so classic. Although this color is not classic, but again, they don't make clothes in this color anymore. So I'm definitely keeping this one. This one, I love. I so love the fit of this. This one, I'm not really sure yet because I mean, it fits nice, but this one is a keep because I just got this last year. So cute. Next, workout clothes. Ang dami kong leggings. Thank you so much, Tita Ruth, for the life supply of leggings from the States. I think I really am gonna keep most of them. Although the tops... This one is from Bethany Mota's collection from Aeropostale. Keeping this. Keep. This one says Holy Chic, so I'm definitely keeping this one. Ito si Audrey Hepburn. I'm not really in love with the fit anymore. I think I might have to let this go. Do people still wear muscle tees? Yeah, that's it. Moving on to tops. I think, again, I'll pick the ones that I want to keep and then yung mga maybe itatabi ko muna. And we can try it on later to see if it's a yes or a no. We can decide together. Close tayo. Maybe keep. Maybe keep. Keep. Now for all my white and black tops, I own a lot of them, more than my colored ones. This one, I love this top so much. I got this again in high school. So I saw that this was worn by the character of Lucy Hale, Arya, in Pretty Little Liars. So sabi ko, oh my gosh, twinning kami. Pero ngayon, it just doesn't really fit that well anymore. Too short for a crop top, so I think I gotta let this one go. Although it's so nice. This bodysuit can go as well. Classic white shirt, gotta have this. So, ito yung favorite kong sinusuot sa mga pictures ko. So, I'm definitely keeping this one. Ito yung sinuot ko lang nung birthday ko. Again, matagal na din sa akin to. It's not the best fit anymore, so I can let this one go. I have a lot of crop tops from Taytay. I think I'm gonna keep most of them. Oh my gosh, tell me I'm not the only one na bumili ng sobrang sobrang daming bralette nitong quarantine. Kasi parang, oh my gosh, ang cute. Pero in reality, hindi ko sila masyadong nasusuot. But also, nakakapayat sila eh. So, maybe I'll keep them. I'll probably keep them, but I don't think I'll be buying more. Gusto niya yung may ganito akong top, tapos mayroon din akong ganitong top na off-shoulder naman. Plain black top, also got to have that. I think this one can go. So guys, I love this t-shirt. It's Brooklyn 99. Tapos mayroong Andy Samberg dito. Andy Samberg talaga, hindi Jake Peralta. And mayroon din sa likod na sobrang laki. It says, cool, no that. Pinigyan ako ng lola ko ng guwapa. Kain. This sweater ba to? I love this one, so I'm definitely keeping it. So I love this t-shirt, kaso medyo maliit na siya sa akin. It says Bench Watcher. Next, red shirts. I have a lot of red shirts, and I actually like them. So this is so cute, kaso itong sleeves, baba siya ng baba, nakakainis. But it's so cute. Ito ang cute nito. Never ko pa ito nasusuot, but I'll probably just wear it for a video, tapos papamigay ko na, kasi maiksi siya sa akin actually. Again, tube top from Taytay. Sabi ko, susuotin ko to kapag nag-beach kami. Girl, hindi na makapag-beach. This one, I think, has to go. Ewan ko ba, mayroon akong toxic trait na since I'm a big Barbie fan, every time na may collection sila with like Forever 21 or something, and sabi ko, I have to get something from that collection. Tapos ito yung nakuha ko, and I'm honestly not super in love with it anymore. So I think I can part ways with it. Maybe. Let's do a speed round in 3, 2, 1. Akala nyo tapos na? Hindi pa. Welcome to the last part. So these are all my pambahay, tapos sleepwear. I'll just fast forward through this. There's really nothing that interesting about it, but let's do this. Ay wait, oo nga pala. Behind these are actually more t-shirts. These t-shirts I don't wear anymore. But they're like old shirts from high school and college, and ang weird para ipamigay siya kasi parang memories ko yan eh. Ba't ko bibigay sa'yo? Mga batch shirt or recital shirt, ganon. So, I've been thinking if I should just make a DIY blanket out of all these shirts. Kasi I think that's a thing, but I have to research more about it. And then the fabric scraps, I could just donate to like H&M or something. Do they do that? Please tell me if they accept fabric scraps. So anyways, let's go. Now it's time to put everything back. So for the back end of that top shelf, that's actually where I put my old clothes. Nakakapakita ko lang sa inyo. Kasi hindi ko naman sila gamitin. So okay lang kahit di ko sila makita. And then on this shelf are my hoodies and yung mga pang-alis na tops. And then for this one naman are my workout clothes and pambahay. And kahit mayroong mga nasa likod guys, magagamit ko pa rin naman yan. Kasi ipo-push forward ko na lang sila kapag kulang na ako sa t-shirt, ganun. And on the bottom are my sleepwear. Now for the hanging side naman, sa likod niya is actually my boards from college. And then sa bottom are my swimsuits and my socks that are lined up neatly. And now it's time to put the clothes that I want to hang back. I actually arranged this by type, length, and color, kind of all mixed up, and somehow that system actually works for me. But guys, that is it for this video. I can't believe I have so much space now. Sabihin ba na kailangan natin mag-Shopee haul ulit? And then next time, I will be cleaning and organizing and decluttering lahat na the rest of my room. I mean, it's tidy, but when you look inside those drawers, magulo sila. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!